For our first exercise, core exercise using a towel, we're going to recline on our back. And this exercise is ideal for core strength as well as hip and glute strength. So what you're going to do, you're going to recline, keep your stomach engaged. You're going to bend both legs and place your right leg on top of the towel. Left leg is bent. Stomach in, lift your hips up. And from here, sliding your heels up and down, keeping the hips up and the core engaged. You're going to do 10 repetitions. And you feel your core, your glutes, your hamstrings, all of that really gets a nice workout with this exercise. So you'll do 10 on each side, sliding up and down. Again, keeping the hips up at all times. That's the first exercise, and you'll do both sides, of course. For the second exercise, it's called a towel pass. And you've seen people do that with an exercise ball or weighted ball. You can also do the same thing with a towel. So we'll recline, we'll lift our legs up about 90 degrees, and basically just passing the towel behind the knees. Great dynamic core strengthening exercise. You want to go for 30 reps. Okay, so that's the second core exercise using a towel. And for the third one, we're going to do a Russian twist. So we'll undo the towel a little bit, kind of like in a triangle position, keeping the knees bent. You're slowly going to bring yourself up to a seated position. From here, you're going to lean back a little bit, keeping the core engaged, and not so much as using your hips to do that, really focusing on the core, and you're going to twist. This is called the famous Russian twist, or driving a car, steering the steering wheel. Back and forth, and you'll do 20 to 30. That's the third exercise for core. Very good, and you'll feel it. And for the last one, we're actually going to do that into quadruped. So quadruped means you go on all four, and I'll show you the easier version as well as the more advanced version. So for that, you can keep your knees down. You'll go into a plank position, and all you're doing is bringing your arm over the towel. Arm tap. Be careful with this one if you have shoulder issues. That may not be recommended for you. If you don't, again, very good for the core. You can also do this same exercise from a full plank position, and it would look like this. Now the knees will be lifted off the floor, keeping the core engaged. Lift the hips up, and you'll do your tap. There you have it. You have 4 basic core exercises you can do at home using just a simple towel.